somebody who I know who is a colleague, and they were asked to be on a board, to sit on a board of another Jewish organization. And my colleague has a very, very full job and is very demanding job, and asked me like what I thought about maybe taking this position. So I was encouraging. I thought that it would be good for him personally, and I thought that it would also be good to have another connection to another organization, because one of the founding principles of the Jewish Women's Renaissance Project is that all boats rise. So they were having a meeting the other day, this board, and it was also in the building where our offices are. And I was walking by, and a couple of them came out, and they said to me, like, you know, kind of apologetic, like, oh, we're so sorry, we're taking so much of his time. And I said, no, 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 you don't understand. And they're all Israelis, so I explained to them, there's an American expression, all boats rise. And they're kind of looking at me quizzically. And I said to them, you know, we believe in partnership. We don't believe that another Jewish organization is our competition. They're our partner. They're our partner in Kiddush Hashem, in doing work in the world, sanctifying God's name, helping not just the Jewish people, but helping humanity. And if we work together, we can accomplish so much more. We want your organization to succeed. It doesn't make us look bad. It makes the Jewish people look good. We're all in this together. And the opposite. Sometimes when you see an organization and they're not succeeding, sometimes we're feeling like if you're part of another organization, like, oh, it makes us look good. No, 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 no. If there's a hole in the boat and it's not at your side of the boat, don't sit there and go, well, glad it's not on my side. We're all in the same boat. And God forbid it goes down, we all go down. And the opposite. If they rise, we all rise. All boats rise. So please, if you're working in an organization, whether it's a Jewish organization or a non-Jewish organization, or you're working in a company, competition can be good, because competition can make you up your game. Competition can make you like, wow, inspire you to do more when you see somebody else achieving. But don't make competition something that brings you down, where you have envy, where you're hoping for their failure, where you're, no, no, no. For sure in the Jewish world, we're all connected. We're all in the same ocean. We're either going up together or, God forbid, down. So let's go up. I'm Lori, Almost Live.